everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram. So once you open your Instagram, you can simply find the search bar. Simply tap on search, and once you go there, you can simply go and tap on search bar again. So once you type something, different kind of suggestions will be shown on your screen. However, there is no particular option to delete that particular suggestions. So all you can do is simply cross the particular thing that you have typed, or to delete from the recents, you can simply find the cross mark right besides the suggestions. Simply tap on it. So once you have done this, you will be able to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.